Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. We have a special treat. I brought Drew in here. So he's my oldest son. And just a disclaimer, I have a company that sent me something to do a review on it, and it was free of charge, and we're gonna do a review. I've been impressed. The product's very nice. It's definitely not on the, how do you say, the cheap side, but it's got some serious quality going on. So take a moment. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Definitely appreciate it. I did talk to them, and they even hooked me up with an additional discount. They like to run sales, but they're gonna give all of the viewers an additional 10% off, and I'll go into that a little later in the view. So first of all, what is it? What are we doing today? Well, we're going to be looking at whiskey glasses. Yes, whiskey glass. So we got our local distillery, if I can say that right.
That's right.
So,
Manifest, yeah.
Manifest, he took a tour recently, and they're working on a bourbon, which is gonna be really nice. I need a bourbon in my collection, but right now we got our rye, which is a wheated rye that's very smooth. And the company is called Uniwhis, like Universal Whiskey. Uniwhis. They deal with lead-free crystalware that is...
Yeah, non-leaded crystalware.
Yeah, non-leaded, there we go. Lead-free, non-leaded.
You'd hope so.
Crystal,
right? So.
Yeah. So we're good in California, and it's custom etched, and they have different designs that they do on these types of glasses. So it's kind of cool. I'm impressed. Definitely impressed with the weight of the product. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. I've already broken the seal because I didn't know what was in the box when it first arrived, and I was like, oh, hey, I know what this is. And I wanna point out that the box itself got damaged a little bit, but the packing was so good that what's in the boxes was perfectly safe. So something to point out, because we all know that some of the shipping companies go out of their way to damage things. So
yeah, anything's a nightmare for you.
Yeah, I had a box recently that said do not crush, and that was the only box out of all my boxes that were crushed. It's kind of like a challenge for them. So I'm gonna take these out, and we're gonna go over what each one of these are. And like I said, it says Uniwhis right on it. We'll have a little unpacking thing here over the side that you can watch.
It even tells you the stats on the side there.
Yeah,
so.
Non-leaded crystal, 3.5 inch height, 3.1 inch dimension at rim. Diameter, sorry.
1.4 inch high, and then 9.1 fluid ounces is the capacity. It's got a weight of about 1.1 pounds. So I guess it kind of depends on how much is, edged off based on the design. So, yeah, but they're same stats either way.
Yeah. So I'm going to open this one. And which one do you have there? I think you have the...
I want to say it's the
Supernova. Yeah, he has the Supernova. So we're going to show you the Supernova.
Pretty good packing too, by the way. Yeah, that's why I didn't get crushed.
Amazing foam packing. The boxes are nice, decorative boxes. I'll let him show you the Supernova here. And what I mean by etched is these lines that are in the glass.
And then also the beveling that they do with the grinder.
Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful glass.
And apparently, at least based on the website that it was shown, what they do is actually individually line each of these up when they go to cut it. And then by hand, that's how they get the precision for it on the mill. Or in the cutter.
And the fingerprints on that one is from us.
Yeah, that's all me, so.
Okay, this is the Meteorite. And the Meteorite has a lot more etching to it. It doesn't have the beveled bottom edges, but...
kind of like a checkered pattern? I don't know how to describe that.
And I'm saying, it's really heavy. But...
I think we'll probably drop this and it might be fine.
Yeah, and if you drink too much, you might not be able to pick it up. Might help to limit it. It's a really nice glass. And it's kind of like a crown. And I'll do a little zoom in and put that up somewhere on the camera so you can really see it.
Outside of the fingerprints that we put on there, of course, it is pretty dang clear. Yeah,
extremely clear, very heavy. I can actually, looking through here, it's a magnifying effect that's going to make everything smaller. It's still smaller. Either way I look. But yeah, I mean, what they say when it comes to cameras, good old quality cameras that have amazing glass. It's all about the quality of the glass. And you're talking over a pound here, and the quality is, amazing. So they picked a good base glass to then turn around and do the etching and beveling and all the other custom work on it. So very impressed. We're gonna rinse these out because they're fresh out of the pack, and we're gonna try a little Manifest rye whiskey in our new whiskey glasses from Uniwhis, which, like I said, is like Universal Whiskey. They have other glasses on their website.
They're all kind of space themed.
Yeah, we have Supernova,
which I think is this one.
Meteorite, Gravity, Multiverse, Pulsar, Nebulas, Satellite, and then they have a Comet decanter, which to me looks a little bit like the Meteorites.
Kind of like that,
yeah, with a decanter, and it's a set. And like I said, none of it's inexpensive, but the quality is definitely up there. So if you decided to buy one as a gift, or a couple as a gift for, let's say, Father's Day that's coming up here in June, or for somebody in the family that enjoys good quality spirits, yeah, you might become their favorite person for quite a while. So just saying.
Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be happy to take this home.
Yeah, he's taking that one.
I got some cheapos
and
from
that was kind of my bribe to get him to come over and do a review on these things. So give us a moment. We're gonna rinse these out and use some nice chilled rye whiskey. Here, we're going in to pour some Manifest Rye in our amazing looking Uniwhis whiskey glasses. I'm not trying to carbonate it. My hand just shakes. It's half the enjoyment of a good distilled spirit. It's the aroma. And that's, yeah, when we're doing beer tastings, I can tell you when we're using sampler glasses that have a very small opening, it's very hard to get full aroma.
That's why I shake it a little bit.
Yeah, that's why we like to use a glass that has a bigger opening. That's the same reason that you have a whiskey glass, that they're low profile. They have a nice large opening. So
broad diameter.
Yeah, they're kind of broad diameter. They're kind of like, this
Short and stout.
Short and stout, there we go. And that really, oh wow. I can actually see the lines in the glass from where the whiskey has touched.
Oh yeah, I see that.
It's leaving little, yeah. It's beautiful. Oh, I haven't had any of this in like a couple months. You know what I was thinking? If you wanted the whiskey a little cooler, you can of course put your whiskey in your fridge or freezer, or maybe keep some certain types of spirits in his freezer. You can put these glasses.
This for sure.
Yeah, you can chill these glasses down nice and sitting out. And if you're a smoker, I'm not, but good cigar with your good whiskey.
What's the proof on this?
It is 57% alcohol.
Oh, okay.
56.5 by volume. So
yeah, I normally do gin. It's like 40%. So.
It's got a little bite to it. But yeah, amazing glasses for an amazing whiskey. Like I said, Father's Day is coming up, and I'll leave the 10% discount down below. The discount on top is on top of the current discounts, if there is a discount or a sale going
So if
on.
they have a monthly sale or sort of anniversary sale,
Kick another 10% off.
Yeah.
And the code is Bitter Reality. I'll put it down in the description below. Of course, all the links will be down below, but yeah.
So you can find them at Uniwhis or Uniwhis.com. That's UNIWHIS.com.
Yeah. And well, like I said, I'll put links down below for everything.
Cheers.
Thank you again, and don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing, and appreciate it. Thank you.